Understanding drone flight, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're taking to the skies to explore the phrase, drone flight. This is a term that's become more popular, and it's important to understand what it means and how it's used. Before we dive into the phrase itself, let's clarify what a drone is. A drone, in the simplest terms, is an unmanned aircraft. These flying machines are controlled remotely by a person or autonomously by onboard computers. Drones are used for a variety of purposes, from photography to delivery services. The word, flight, refers to the action of flying. It can be used for any type of flying, whether it's a bird, a plane, or, in our case, a drone. When something takes a flight, it's moving through the air. When we combine the two words to form the phrase, drone flight, we are referring to the act of a drone flying or operating in the air. This can be for recreational purposes, like filming beautiful landscapes, or for commercial use, such as delivering packages. To understand how drone flight is used in context, let's look at a few sentences. The drone flight over the mountains captured breathtaking views. Regulations for drone flights in urban areas are quite strict. He has a license for commercial drone flights. And that's a wrap on drone flight. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what the phrase means and how it's used. Keep soaring high in your English learning journey, and we'll see you in the next video.